At IPCI right now, currently traded at $2.21. Right there at that 30-day simple moving average is at $2.21 right now. You guys are right at that level. Watch for that break of that high volume as well. 732,000 shares. Not bad considering the last volume average for the 20 days has been 213,000 shares. Watch for that break of that 221 that we're going to be watching right there. And if that does break, you guys can go up much higher. I'm going to see a little bit of a resistance level around, if I can key that out, it could be right there between the two, around the 235 mark. 235 is going to be the next resistance off of that one, in my opinion, and more than likely it would break at 221. 235 could possibly come pretty quick. The support levels underneath there is going to be a 20-day simple moving average. You guys know those are the levels that I personally watch for. 221 and then followed up by the 205. We'll call it 206 because it's very close to that. But a beautiful move coming off that bottom. Beautiful move down here. And we see that around the $1.85 where it was that low at. The $1.85 area coming down to that 4 days of a pound down and boom, right up off of that. Watching for that break of that 30-day, really, really close to a nice move here, in my personal opinion. But it's going to need to break through that 221 overall off of this move over here that we've seen back in September 2016, all the way up to $3 mark. Essentially, we just went sideways and pulled it back down. Could it be setting up? It's possible. Look at this right here as well, coming down to this area, bounced off of that as well. So not bad. I would definitely be watching this one, especially a break of that 235.
All right, so I'm going to go right back to the April. It's on April 11th, 2017. Intellipharmaceuticals announced their first quarter 2017 results. So I'm just going to go and pull off their key quarterly highlights there. So revenues double to 1.2 million from 0.6, so 600,000. So launch of 2 new generic Focalin XR strengths. So FDA accepts filing of Resista. NDA grants and then grants PDUFA date of September 25th, 2017. So obviously, that's something to look forward to. Patents covering aspects of overdose prevention technology. It's called PODRAS. It's issued by the U.S. and Canadian patent offices, and a continued progress made towards May 2017 anticipated launch of generic Sequel XR. So let's see, I'll read the statement. We are pleased with the revenue improvement resulting from the launch of the additional generic Focalin strengths, given they reflect only 7 weeks of sales. We look forward to PAR launching the remaining 4 strengths in the first half of 2017. While 2017 is off to a great start, we expect revenues will continue to strengthen as we make progress towards the anticipated launch of our generic Sequel XR tablets by Mallinckrodt in May 2017, stated Dr. Isa Odidi, Chairman and CEO. More importantly, our priorities over the next few months will be increasingly focused on working with the FDA towards advancing our Rexista NDA candidate. So obviously, I have a bunch of different things in the work, and then, I mean, I could go sit here and read all these corporate developments, but they're all up there for you guys to check out. So let's see. In December 2016, they had a few patents issued to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. I'm seeing 2 of them. And let's see. We cannot provide assurance on the target launch dates of these certain things. All right. So there's just a lot of different things. I mean, something about recently commenced litigation, and that was in November of 2016 regarding for Resista TX. So like I said, David, this kind of company right here, you want to do your due diligence on. And to start, or if you want to do your due diligence, which it's always a good thing to do, go right over to the IPCI board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time it sales, the recent news, your filings, the financials, the buy rating. And once you do have a knowledge of the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that IPCI message board.
That's right. And I'm looking at over here the buy rating right now with 3 analysis reporting. Have it at a strong buy. Previous recommendation 1.443. Right now, 2 have it at a strong buy and 1's at a hold. With all this information over here rated at 104. I would definitely want to keep up on that. So if you want to follow the financials, filings, and recent news, time and sales, all that is completely free at your fingertips for IPCI. Not only this one, but all the other hot stocks that you follow. All you got to do is click on the headline, and it pops out right in front of you. You can cover a lot of news really fast. Back on the chart right now, 221. Put this one at 220, resistance at 220. 221 rather. Let me go ahead and correct that. It's going to be at 221, which is going to be that 30-day simple moving average that I mentioned. 221 and 235, a break of that 235 is what I'm personally watching for, but above, that 221 as well. So support 212, 206, and $1.85. A break of 221 would be bullish. A break of 235, this can go much higher. In my opinion, $1.85 down there at the bottom, even though you're a long way from there, I just want to add it. $1.85 is going to be a must hold, but again, it's in your rear view mirror now. IPCI, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We would appreciate it. And share this video with all other investors. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover it. If you'd like to check out our live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.